Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the oirosie.com website. So, if you don't know this, it is basically just a site that offers unique clothing, for example, western wear, and fancy wear or sporty wear, and a lot of different outfits. So, this is basically for women most of the time. So, their site is actually very poorly made. I don't know what this is. So right off the bat, this is just a shady website since what they advertise is just a bunch of like edited photos right here. It's very clearly edited right here, almost like I think. And as you can see, most of them are just like AI photos. For example, this one. And if you go ahead and over here to Trustpilot, they're actually rated 1.9 out of 5 stars, which is actually poor. And many people said that do not buy, they totally stole my money, and typically don't leave bad reviews. I could give 0 stars if I would. An absolute scam. Do not order anything from this site, and yeah, that is basically it. So please do not order from this site. It is basically a scam. Many people have been scammed by this, so please do not use this. So that is it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.